Alright, I want to take the childproof thing off of this ladder here. I'm going to need a pen or a paper clip to do it with. So what you have to do is you grab it, stick it in there. It might take a little tampering, mine's already made like this. You just pull it out. Now you got the childproof thing off your pen. It's a lot easier to light. So I'm going to go over here and light these torches here, because that's what we're going to need for our next event. So, light that up. Light that up. Alright, for next event we're going to break this controller here that I've had. Alright, so here's my controller. It's in pretty tough shape. It's got a little dent right there in it, and buttons don't work on it. I mean, some of them do, but it's in pretty bad shape. It's a chrome controller. It costs $65. So it's a big waste of money, because considering how good Microsoft is and how they make Xboxes. But I'm going to break this to hopefully 1,000,000 pieces. Alright, here we go. Put it on top of those leaves in case this thing doesn't catch on fire like I want it to. I got a stick specifically made out for this. Light this on fire real quick. Got a little ritual going on here. This thing's burning up here. Got a sledgehammer here. We're about to take it to it. That's what it looks like. This thing's hot as hell. Put it back in that fire. Let it burn. Yeah, I'm done here. I'm done here. Alright, here we go. Got to soak this fluid. This isn't gonna work. This is...
Here, we'll start over.